Hey guys, today's video is going to be potentially my very last Ipsy bag unboxing, unbagging. I've just realized over the last few months that even though I generally really like my Ipsy bag, it doesn't get me as excited, and some big changes are happening in our lives here coming up, which I might go into more detail on my second channel, which is more family based because it's a big family decision, not really a beauty decision. So I've just realized that the almost $20 that I spend on my Ipsy bag every month, I could be putting towards something else. And even if I keep my budget like the same and keep that $20 in the beauty category, I would rather spend that $20 on a new drugstore foundation or 2 more drugstore lipsticks. Do you see where I'm coming from? Like, I'm not overly excited about what's in this bag every month, and $20, like, it doesn't really sound like a lot when it's just kind of put out every month, but if I saved up for 2 or 3 months, I could buy an additional eyeshadow palette in the year that I wouldn't have before, that sort of thing. So I'm just trying to be smarter about my money. And also, all of the little minis in my collection is starting to be kind of overwhelming. If you watch my empties videos, you know that over the last few months I've been really trying to get through a lot of them, just because holding a little mini product looks really cute in the moment. Once you have a whole bunch in your drawers, trying to organize things is a nightmare. Sorry for the long introduction, but let's just see what's in the potentially very last Ipsy bag I will receive. If not forever, then definitely for now. So this is what the bag looks like this month. I hate it. Hate is a very strong word. This is like fluorescent yellow. It looks like a reflecting jacket. This is like a mesh material. Like, it's very sporty looking. I'm not a sporty kind of gal. This looks like a shoelace, but you don't get Ipsy just for the bag now, do you? It's pretty full this month, actually. So the little card says, I will conquer blank, so this must be for like setting a goal, and this says game face. Okay, this just fell out on my lap. This is the Absolute New York Eye Artiste. Of course, it's all taped up. Wow, 5 hours later. This is the Eye Artiste eyeshadow in the shade VIP. Okay, it has one of those stupid little foamy applicators. I really don't like those, but this is quite a large pan for a single eyeshadow, and it is a really pretty color. I'll swatch it for you. Feels pretty soft, but yet still firmly packed in there, not as loose as something like Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's there on my middle finger. Okay, and it actually swatches really nicely. It is like a warm bronzy type of shadow. These are great for just everyday looks. You could easily pop this on with a neutral eye look. I will have all of the prices down below, and then I will also convert the value into Canadian dollars as well, because I know a lot of my subscribers are Canadian, as am I. So I view things in Canadian dollars. That's why I said that my Ipsy bag is about $20 a month, because with the conversion, or the exchange rate I should say, and the shipping, that's what it works out to be for me. This is a really nice shadow. I'm not that big into single eyeshadows. I'm trying to use up a lot of those because I just prefer to open a palette and create my whole eye look from a palette, but I will get some use out of this for sure. I know you can already tell by my attitude towards it, I'm not overly excited. Okay, this is the Kokie Kissable Liquid Lipstick. This is a newer to Ulta brand, I believe, like over the last year. I mean, not super new. We don't have Ulta here. I have never seen this brand here, so it's really nice to be able to try it. This is in the shade Desire. It definitely looks like a color that I would be interested in. Okay, yeah, this is a really pretty color. I will definitely get some use out of this. So this I am pretty excited about. Next, there is a Pretty Woman nail polish in the shade Johnny's Angels. I have 2 or 3 of these now, all from Ipsy, and it's actually becoming one of my favorite nail polish brands. I love all of the shades I've received. Wow, this is a beautiful blue shade. I will definitely be using this spring. This looks stunning. I'm really happy with this one as well. Here's a product from the Balm. I've spoken in a lot of my Ipsy unboxings. The Balm needs to do better with their sample sizes. I hate these little boxes. This is a sample of the Mary Luminizer, which I have always wanted to try, so I definitely will be using this, but it will annoy me. Okay, it's a lot better than a lot of their other ones that I've received in the past. It's about twice as big. I have a bronzer that's literally half this size. How are you supposed to get a bronzer brush into the size of like a small eyeshadow? But this, I can work with this. It is just as beautiful as everyone says it is. This is one of those cult classic products that I can't believe I haven't tried. Maybe I will do a video on that. There is a swatch of it beside that liquid lipstick. It's not as reflective as I was expecting, actually. This looks like more of a natural highlight, which I really thought that this was way more reflective than that. I will have to try this on the face though, so I'm really happy to be able to try this, but I really don't like the Balm sample packaging. Lastly, in the bag, I have this from Trust Fund Beauty, which I have tried 1 or 2 products from before. One is a lip gloss that I do like. This is the Lipgasm Lip Scrub. Okay, I only have 1 lip scrub in my collection right now, and for it being winter, I will definitely be trying this out. Wow, it smells super strongly. As soon as I took off the plastic, I could smell it. It's all sealed up, so I don't want to completely open it, but this reminds me of old school lip smackers. Wow, this smells really good. I'm actually quite excited to try this. I feel like this month's bag was really good, but I feel like they do that on purpose though. The January bag is always really good. Hi. And they must do that to like reel you in for the coming year. So I feel like kind of an asshole saying that I'm canceling in this bag because it was so good, but I just know that overall I'm not super excited about it compared to other things. But just as a recap, 4 out of 5 products were full size. The eyeshadow, the lip scrub, the nail polish, and the liquid lipstick. I am most excited to try these 4. However, I really hate the Balm sample packaging, but I really want to try this product. The lip scrub smells amazing. The nail polish is becoming one of my favorite nail polish brands, and the liquid lipstick is from a brand that I really wanted to try and is in a shade that I will definitely get a lot of use out of. And the single eyeshadow is beautiful. It did swatch really nicely. I'm just not that big of a single eyeshadow kind of girl. However, it is still a good product. So that was everything for my January Ipsy bag. Let me know if you receive Ipsy, what you got in your bag this month, and if you kind of feel the same way that I do. If it's just not as exciting as a BoxyCharm, I'd love to hear from you. Please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!